if you are wondering if there is power sharing available on the Motorola Edge 60 Pro, then the answer is yes, it is possible to charge other devices by using our Motorola Edge 60 Pro. However, we can only do this with the USB cable. There is no wireless method, there is no reverse wireless charging, but there is reverse wired charging. So let me try to check if I can actually manage to start charging the phone. I just could do that, but then the next time I tried to do that again, it didn't work. So first let me use the cable. I'm gonna connect to the phone. Of course we need to USB-C cable, and then let's connect to the other phone to see if it connects. Yeah, there we go. Over here we have charging. So sometimes also there is a pop-up screen about selecting the USB menu or something like that, or USB mode. Let me see if I can make it happen again. No, it's actually just charging properly. So if you see the menu where you have to select the USB mode, you want to go to settings, you should be able to find it in the top right corner of the pop-up window, and then at the bottom of the settings of the USB preference or something like that, you should be able to select charging. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.